Hi, I'm Louise from RosterElf. It's great to see you here today. Let's go through how to update your personal settings in RosterElf using the My Profile feature. Keeping your details up to date makes it easier to personalize and secure your RosterElf experience. How to access My Profile. Click on your avatar in the top right corner of the RosterElf screen. Select My Profile from the drop-down menu to open your personal settings. How to change your profile information. Locate the field you want to update, such as your name, email, or phone number. Enter your new details in the relevant field. Click Save My Personal Info to apply your changes. How to update your profile picture or password. In the same section, select the option to change your profile picture or password. Follow the prompts to upload a new image or enter a new password. And that's how you can manage your personal settings in RosterElf. If you need a hand, our friendly support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering!